Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to change a UPVC door. First, gather your essential tools. You'll need screwdrivers, a tape measure, and a spirit level to ensure everything is perfectly aligned. Make sure your new UPVC door precisely matches the existing frame's dimensions. Safety is paramount, so always wear protective gear like gloves and eye protection throughout the entire process. Now, let's remove the old door. Begin by carefully taking out the hinge pins or unscrewing the hinges that hold the door in place. It's highly recommended to have a second person help you lift and move the old door, as UPVC doors can be quite heavy, weighing up to 50 kilograms. Before proceeding, thoroughly inspect the door frame for any damage or wear that might require attention. With the old door removed, it's time to install your new one. Carefully position the new UPVC door within the existing frame, ensuring a snug and even fit. Reattach the hinge pins or screw the hinges securely into the frame, making sure they are tightened to approximately 10 Newton meters. Use your spirit level to verify that the door is perfectly plumb and level, adjusting as necessary for optimal operation. Finally, we move on to adjustments and finishing touches. Adjust the hinges as needed to ensure the door opens and closes smoothly without catching. Test the locking mechanism and handles multiple times to confirm they function correctly and securely. For weatherproofing and a professional appearance, apply a bead of silicone sealant around the exterior of the door frame, ensuring a watertight seal.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.